Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Philips TV black screen with sound and solve the no picture issue.
Fix 1. Check power and connections. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall. Step 2. Disconnect all external devices, HDMI, USB, set, top box. Step 3. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Step 4. Check if the screen is working. Fix 2. Check input source. Step 1. Press the source input button on your Philips remote. Step 2. Cycle through HDMI, AV, or TV sources. Step 3. Make sure the correct input for your device is selected. Fix 3. Adjust backlight or picture settings. Step 1. Press menu, picture. Step 2. Increase backlight and brightness. Step 3. Check if the picture appears. Fix 4. Soft reset the TV. Step 1. Press and hold the TV power button, not the remote, for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 2. Release the button. Then turn the TV on normally. Fix 5. HDMI device issue. Step 1. Test each HDMI device individually. Step 2. Use a different HDMI cable or port. Step 3. If the TV shows the picture with another device, the issue is with the original device or cable.